Hey friends, welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. Let's make a slip knot. First, lay your piece of yarn on the table, the tail on the right side, then pick that up and loop it once over the yarn. Now pick up the right edge of the loop you just made and flip it over. So now the loop is on top of the rest of the yarn. Then pick up that yarn that's in the middle of the loop and then pull on the tail with the other hand until you have a knot. The magic of a slip knot is that if you pull on the working thread, it makes this loop smaller, and you can make that loop as small as the tip of your hook. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!